Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to explore Grigora, your all-in-one platform to create websites, blogs, newsletters, and directories in seconds. Let's begin by signing up. To sign up, visit grigora.co. Once on the homepage, click Get Started. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or email. Choose the option that works best for you and complete the sign-up process. After signing up successfully, you'll be asked to enter your site name. Type your preferred name and click Next. Now, you can either choose a template from our wide range of categories or start from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll select a template. If you want to create a site from scratch, check out the guide linked above. Once the template is selected, you'll see a free domain name provided by Grigora in the left panel. Below that, you'll find color palettes. Select a palette to customize your template or stick with the default colors. When ready, click Continue. Next, choose a font style from the available options and click Build My Website. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first website on Grigora and taken the first step toward growing your online presence. After your site is created, you'll land on Grigora's user-friendly dashboard. On the left panel, you'll find all the tools to manage your website. Let's explore them step by step. First, we have the dashboard itself. Here, you can track analytics, access quick links, add to-do notes, check your form responses, and get a quick storage overview. Next is Posts, where you can create and manage your blog posts to keep your website fresh and engaging. Then we have Directory Listings, perfect for creating and managing business directories or listings right inside your site. Under Newsletter, you can create and manage email newsletters to stay connected with your audience. The SEO Report section lets you connect Google Search Console to view keyword rankings, click data, and page performance for better visibility. Similarly, the Analytics Report section allows you to connect Google Analytics 4 and track your traffic, user behavior, and overall performance insights. Need help with SEO? Use keyword research to instantly get keyword suggestions that can boost your website's search ranking. In the Files section, you can upload, manage, and organize all your media files easily. The Teams tab is where you can assign tasks, add remarks, review progress, and keep your team organized with a clear timeline. Under Layout, you can preview your site, customize the design, or even switch to a new theme with just a click. The Settings panel is packed with powerful controls. Here you can change your site name, subdomain, and watermark, manage collaborators, handle billing, and access advanced options like custom code, Google reCAPTCHA, API settings, SEO tools, AI features, and custom fonts. If you ever need assistance, go to Help and Support to contact the support team, report bugs, or request new features. Finally, if you're managing multiple websites, you can switch between them by clicking on your current site name or selecting All Sites to view and manage everything in one place. And that's your complete Grigora walkthrough. You now know exactly where everything is to manage your site like a pro. In the next video, we will be deep diving into Grigora's site editor. See you in the next one.